Okay, happy what? Thursday to all of my chick babes and chick fur babies. Yes, I say chick, meaning female, not style, okay? So we are enjoying a glass of wine. We are going to do an Amazon unboxing. This is a new one for me. This is my first time tasting this one. And I got this from Publix. It's called the Skinny Vine. And y'all know my favorite is Chardonnay. So we're going to enjoy us a glass of Chardonnay. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday. So far, I know I am. So, Coco and I, yes, we made it to the gym. After we left the gym, then I had to go and get my tag. So we got everything up to date. And after that, then we went to the doggy park for a bit. And then I get an email that my Amazon package has arrived. I am so excited about this. I'm adding to my collection. Plus, we went to Coco did her shopping, and yeah, she did her shopping. Well, I'm gonna turn this on. Like, let me bring this down just a little. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, let me push it back some. You can actually see it. Okay. Yes, that's better. Yeah, so y'all can actually see what I'm unboxing. Yes, y'all, I got on my money shirt. Money is calling. And so we're going to be relaxing today. No, well, after this unboxing, sometime today, I am going to go to, y'all know one of my favorite spots, Bahama Breeze, and try this new drink that they have. It's called the Cloud 9. If y'all want some good drinks, Bahama Breeze got you covered. I kid you not. It's a Florida restaurant, I know that. I don't know if there are in other states. They could be, but Bahama Breeze, yes, is the bomb.com. So, yeah, Coco went and did her shopping at Petco. She had $20 in discounts, so we didn't have to spend nothing but like $8. She got her food and 2 nice toys. So she got the whole collection. Because it was this collection that I liked for her, real top notch. And toys, y'all know what, Dolly Parton? She has her clothing line for dogs in there for like $70. Yes, so don't complain about my prices on the Chick Babies and Fur Baby Boutique website, okay? If you can't afford it, move along. Okay, so here we are. We're going to, because we are a what? Luxury brand. Yes, we are. We are a luxury brand. And we ship to the 4 corners of the earth, y'all. I have Printify and Shopify. And I love them both. Y'all, I had to get this. Y'all, I had to get this. Some of you probably got this as well. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Let's see. Bring this out. Okay, y'all. Okay, I'm trying not to like rip the box. Let's see. I'm trying not to rip it. Guess I will be ripping it. Rip it open. Unboxing. Is something taped to something? It's a real tight box, y'all. So I don't have no choice. But the wires and all that attached. So here we go, y'all. So we got it. We got it. Y'all know Coco's ready to play with that. So we have the new key. It's actually gaming board and keyboard. Gaming board and keyboard, and I had to get this because it lights up. It lights up. I love it. And of course, y'all know I had to get my favorite color, pink. Had to get my favorite color, pink, y'all. And this is it's a nice quality. I believe I paid about $30. Very nice quality. Okay. There's the mouse. And it's by McGee. MAGEGEE. Yeah. Yes. I'm so excited. And of course, it comes with the keyboard instructions. So we're going to hook this baby up. Now I have 3 keyboards. They had a keyboard on there that hold your it holds your iPad and it holds your cell phone. That is so neat. I may get that one too. I just might. And see, I have the wall shelves to put my keyboards on. Yes, so if you want to hook your office up or your game room up, get you some wall shelves. And you can put as many keyboards up as you want. Okay, so you all, thanks for watching this unboxing. Y'all see Coco is back there having fun with that paper. So I am going to work on my website, update some new products. And I can't wait to do another Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique unboxing. We'll be doing at least 3 of those this month. Yes, because I have one item coming next week. Yes, I shop with me. Yes, I patronize my store. I most certainly do. Because who is going to sell a product that they don't like and won't wear themselves or carry themselves? We have top-notch vendors. Printify has top-notch vendors. For those of you that are business owners and those of you that want to be a business owner, Printify. Printify will print and ship the customer's order directly to them. You don't have to worry about trying to find the vendor and then waiting on that vendor to send you a sample, and then you placing an order, and then waiting on them to send the order, and then you having to pack the orders for the customer. Printify takes care of all of that. You join Printify. Printify has every product you could think of. Home decor, cars, accessories, technology, clothes. They have every single thing you could think of. So do not delay starting that online business. Okay? Do not delay. And so all you have to do is go into Printify, get in that, go to the search location and just type in the product that you want to sell to your customers. You put your logo. You choose from a list of vendors. They're going to give you a list of vendors, and all of these vendors are top notch. You're talking about 9 stars and above. Yes, very top notch, high quality vendors. Yes, you don't have to worry about their products not lasting. A lot of things is cotton and leather. Excellent. Okay, excellent. You always get what you pay for. So yes, so I am very glad that I have Printify, and of course I'm operating my online boutique through Shopify. I love both of them. I be on them just about every day. Yes, because I'm posting pictures or doing some type of advertisement. Yes. So, and use my unique link, okay, for Printify. I have a brand deal with Printify. I have a referral code. The link is https //try.printify printify.com /V2GYB4MUVGO1. Yes, use that unique link, okay, and you will get a discount. And you will be very glad that you have Printify as a part of your team, because you don't have to worry about trying to find a vendor and packing and shipping things to your customers. Printify takes care of all of it. Yes, they do. Okay, so I'm going to get this baby hooked up and see how it works. I am so excited. I have some more things coming today from Amazon. My coffee pot went out on me, so I had to order me a new coffee pot. So yes, that's coming today, and that's it. That's coming today. Oh yes, I ordered some other things, and I have the egg makers, the little circles, so you can make your eggs round. You know, like how they have them on your croissants. Yes, I have those egg cups coming. They should be coming tomorrow. I'm excited about that. Y'all know I love to cook. The only time I go out is when I'm out on about. But other than that, I am a chef. I love to cook. And drink good wine and cocktails. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning in to this video. Happy Thursday. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can notify when I'm dropping videos.